Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact version and build ID inside the VR launcher. This prevents mismatches. Once you have that, back up the entire game folder and saves to avoid data loss. Then download the target version or patch from a verified source and verify checksums when available. You do this because a mismatched version can break mods, controllers, or multiplayer. Now open the folder where the game is installed, so you can begin replacing or applying files immediately. You must quit Steam, Oculus, and any VR runtime to avoid file locks. Next, replace the executable, asset bundles, or manifest files following the target version structure. Maintain file permissions. If the new version requires updated runtime libraries or dependencies, install those now and run any included installers in administrator mode. Make sure to keep a copy of removed files in your backup. This sequence prevents corruption and ensures the game loads the correct binaries and assets at startup. You should start the VR runtime and launch the game in offline or safe mode so initial checks complete without network policies or multiplayer interference. Confirm the version string and settings, test main levels and controller mappings, and watch for missing textures or crashes. If something fails, restore your backup immediately and examine game logs for missing files or DLL mismatches. Dependency errors are the most common cause. As a troubleshooting tip, try reinstalling any runtime libraries and rerunning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.